These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites at I-75 and Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota, Florida. They've been modded. These were Dover Impulse. Picture of the Ringling Bridge. Let's get a quick look at a hallway. And, well, you know, we got the other elevator. We're gonna send this one down and ride the one that we just rode. Here's a look at a look facing west. This is towards Calman Road. You can see Doctor's Hospital right there. You can also see I-75 directly to the east. This hotel's right off the highway at exit 207. Well, we ended up sending this one down, and it came back up. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go down to 1, and might as well just write it down. So I'm not sure who did the mod. Could have been Schindler, or it could have been a local company. Doesn't look like an Oracle mod, but I could be wrong. 2,500 pound capacity, and there's the serial number. Let's go back up to 5. Alright, now let's see if we can get the other one again. Something interesting that I did notice about these elevators is that it always seems like one of them parks on the main floor. There's always one parked on 1 at pretty much any time. So let's go to 1, and 1R is unlocked. Obviously we're not going to get out there, but interesting to see it unlocked. There's your cab view. The other one didn't have a certificate, but this one does. And it has an old certificate, expired August 2024. Filming this in November 25. Also, I noticed in the upper right, it says Vertical City. So, don't know if that has anything to do with anything. That'll be it.